Ever wondered what it takes to become a backend developer? In the bustling world of software development, backend developers are the unsung heroes. They're the masterminds behind the scenes, ensuring everything runs smoothly. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating realm of backend development. We'll walk you through the step-by-step process of acquiring this sought-after skill. From learning a programming language to building your first projects, we've got it all covered. Embark on this journey to discover the steps towards becoming a backend developer. First, it's crucial to understand what backend development is. In the grand scheme of software creation, backend development is the behind-the-scenes magic that makes everything click. It's the engine under the hood of your favorite app or website, powering everything you see and interact with on the front end. Think of it like a restaurant. The front end is the dining area where you enjoy your meal, while the back end is the bustling kitchen where the chefs whip up your order. The front end presents the final product, but the back end is where all the heavy lifting happens. Back-end developers are responsible for creating, maintaining, and optimizing the server, application, and database that work together to produce the front-end experience. They ensure the system is efficient, secure, and reliable. So it's not just about making things look good, it's about making things work. With that understanding, we can now delve into the steps of becoming a back-end developer. Step 1. Master a programming language. The world of back-end development is a playground of languages, each with its own strengths and specialties. Let's talk about a few of them. Python, for instance, is celebrated for its simplicity and readability, making it a great choice for beginners. It's versatile too, used in everything from web development to data analysis and machine learning. Then there's Java, a stalwart of the programming world. It's object-oriented, robust, and runs on virtually any device. It's a bit more complex, but its widespread use in enterprise-level applications makes it a valuable skill to have. Alternatively, you might consider PHP, especially if you're leaning towards web development. Despite its critics, PHP powers a large portion of the web, and its tight integration with HTML makes it an excellent choice for server-side scripting. Remember, the key is not to learn every language, but to master one. Once you've mastered a language, you're ready for the next step. Step 2. Become friends with databases and SQL. Databases are like the treasure chests of the digital world. They securely store and protect valuable information, everything from user details to transaction histories. The key to these treasures is SQL, or Structured Query Language. SQL is a programming language specifically designed to manage and manipulate data stored in relational databases. It's like the universal language of data communication, allowing you to ask questions and get answers from your database. It's crucial for back-end developers to be fluent in SQL, as it allows for efficient data handling, which is a backbone of any strong web application. With a good understanding of databases and SQL, you can create, read, update, and delete data, also known as the CRUD operations. These are the fundamental tasks you'll be performing on a daily basis as a back-end developer. With a good grasp of databases and SQL, you're ready to move on to the next level. Step 3. Get to know a back-end framework. Now you may ask, why bother with a framework? Well, imagine trying to build a skyscraper from scratch without any blueprint or structure. Sounds daunting, right? That's where back-end frameworks come in. They provide a structured, efficient way to build your web applications, much like a blueprint for our imaginary skyscraper. Take Django or Ruby on Rails, for instance. These powerful frameworks can speed up your development process by providing libraries and templates, allowing you to focus on the unique aspects of your application rather than reinventing the wheel. Django, with its batteries included philosophy, encompasses a wide array of functionalities. Ruby on Rails, on the other hand, promotes convention over configuration, making it a favorite among many developers for its simplicity and predictability. Mastering a framework brings you one step closer to becoming a back-end developer. So roll up your sleeves and dive into the fascinating world of back-end frameworks. Step 4. It's time to get your hands dirty and build some projects. You may have heard the saying, practice makes perfect. Well, in the world of back-end development, it couldn't be more accurate. The more you code, the more you learn, and the better you become. Building projects is not just about writing code, though. It's about problem solving, designing efficient systems, and working as part of a team. Projects provide tangible proof of your skills. They are the evidence you can present to potential employers to show that you're not just familiar with back-end development concepts, but you can apply them effectively. From designing a database system to building a fully functional API, these projects will be the backbone of your portfolio. Remember, it's not just about the quantity of projects, but the quality. Focus on creating a few impressive projects that showcase your skills and understanding of back-end development. Building projects is a surefire way to solidify your back-end development skills. Now that you know the steps, let's talk about the scope and salary of a back-end developer. The demand for back-end developers is skyrocketing. Why? Because nearly every industry, from tech startups to multinational corporations, from healthcare to finance, requires robust and scalable web applications. And guess who makes that possible? That's right, back-end developers. They're the architects of the digital world, building the foundations that allow websites and apps to function seamlessly. Even better, this demand isn't showing any signs of slowing down, so job security is pretty much a given. Now let's talk numbers. On average, a back-end developer can expect to earn a pretty decent salary. In the United States, the median wage is around $90,000 a year. Of course, this can vary depending on experience, location, and the specific industry. With these skills and potential rewards, back-end development is certainly a career worth considering. And there you have it, the journey to becoming a back-end developer. We've navigated through essential programming languages, delved into databases and SQL, explored back-end frameworks, and discussed the importance of building projects. We've also shed light on the scope and potential earnings of a back-end developer. The road may be challenging, but the reward is substantial. Remember to share this video with anyone who might find it useful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Course Crafter, for more informative content like this.